Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Labs. Today we will discuss a digital electronics lab designed by IIT Roorkee. So just click on digital electronics lab, and in this today we will discuss the practical implementation of full adder. Okay, so just click on list of experiments and experiment number 2, construction of half and full adder using XOR and NAND gates and verification of its operation. So in last video we have already covered the working and the implementation of half adder. Today we will discuss full adder. Okay, so just click on the theory portion of the full adder. As we all know that full adder is used to add 3 bits A, B and C. Okay, so this is the theory of full adder A, B, C in. This is the block diagram, 3 inputs, 2 outputs, sum and carry out. So the possible combination of input are from 000 to 111. So from 0 to 7, and by simply adding these A plus B plus C in, we will get outputs for sum and for carry. Okay, now we will find out the output expression for sum and carry with the help of K-map. 3 variable K-map can be used to find out the expression for sum and carry. So this is the solution, K-map solution. The expression for sum is A XOR B XOR C. So this is the simplified equation for sum is A bar B bar C in plus A bar B C in bar plus A B C in. So in summarized way it can be written as A XOR B XOR C, and for carry the expression is A B plus B C plus C in. Okay, so AB plus BC in plus AC in. We have already covered the the theory portion of full adder in our theory classes. The expression how to solve it for sum and carry with the help of K-map we have already covered. So here we will simulate the expression of sum and carry, or we will simulate the working of full adder with the help of simulator. So for this just click on simulation and click on full adder. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of full adder, and we will implement it with the help of XOR gate, AND gate and OR gate. Okay, so there is a list of instruction. First we have to apply plus 5 volt supply to the 14 pin of all ICs. Then we have to switch input A, input B and input C. This is the on state of switch, and this one is for the off state. Okay, then the sum LED glow if any one of switch is on out of both the switches, else it won't glow. So it all depends on the condition that 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and carry 0. Okay, so we will check all these conditions with the help of these switches A, B, C in. We will add on all these combinations in our truth table and then verify the value of sum and carry according to this simulation or this simulator. Okay, so first switch on your power supply. First combination is 0 0 0. Add this value to your truth table. So this is sum, carry, both are 0, so they will not glow. Now next combination, any input is 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. Add this value to your truth table. So your sum is equal to 1 and carry is equal to 0. Now here there is one change. This simulator is showing carry as a sum and sum as a carry. So there is some misprint, or you can say some interchange of the representation. This must be carry and this must be sum. Okay, so please remember this correction. You just put your values. Suppose for 0 0 1, so this is the condition. So put this value to a truth table. So 0 0 1, sum should be 1 and carry should be 0. So again same mistake. So this should be 1 and this should be 0. Okay, so we have already covered the theory portion. You have already read out all these things regarding full adder in your theory portion. So for 1 1 1, your carry is 1, your sum is 1, because so both LEDs are glowing, so we cannot differentiate which one is sum and which one is carry. So we can only differentiate it with the help of this second and third option, where only one input is 1, only single input is 1. Okay, so this is all about the working simulation of full adder with the help of these basic gates, XOR and OR gate. Now with the help of simulator 2, we can also verify the truth table of full adder. So just put the possible combinations of input and output and click on check. So it will give you a correct remark that for input 0 0 0, your sum will be 0 and your carry out will be 0. So for 0 0 1, your sum should be 1 and your carry should be 0. So click on check. So it is giving you a remark incorrect. So there is a correction. This is 1, this one is carry, but this simulator is taking this one is as a carry and this one as a sum. So you can interchange this representation. Okay, so representation is correct, but the simulator is taking it as a carry and taking it as a sum. That's why it is giving you incorrect remark. Okay, so you can verify it for other combinations also. For 0 1 1, check. So it is giving you correct. So you please verify by simply writing the different combinations. So let's check this condition, that is 0 1 1 from the truth table of full adder. So this is the truth table of full adder and the combination is 0 1 1. So your sum should be 0, carry should be 1. So your sum should be 0 and your carry must be 1. Then click on check. Okay, so for 0 1 1, it is giving 1 0. Okay, now for so again there is some mistake in the simulation of this condition 0 1 1. So once it is giving you both correct option, correct remark for 0 1 1 for sum equal to 0, carry equal to 1, for 0 1 1 sum equal to 1 and carry equal to 0. So you please verify this with the help of your truth table. All things are fine, the circuit is working properly, but the notation, or you can say the representation of sum, there is some mistake between the representation of sum and carry in this diagram. Okay, so this is all about the working of full adder. We have verified the truth table of full adder with the help of simulator 1 and simulator 2. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.